Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Total number of cases 25, and then 14 are active cases, 11 deaths with severe COVID and associated black fungus. It is not because of black fungus. Understood?
14 ॲक्टिव्ह सगळे GMCत असतात काय प्रायव्हेट ह्याच्यात?
There is 102 ward.
All are in GMC.
GMC.
आणि प्रायव्हेट ह्याच्यात नाही असतात थोडे ब्लॅक फंगसचे केसेस बी?
You will have to ask epidemiologist because it is reported to him. No?
120 वॉर्ड नाही
102. You can go and have a look.
बाकीचे आता ऑक्सिजन म्हणजे सगळे टाके जाग्यावर पडला काय हे ना
सर एक सेपरेट फक्त हेच आहे.
कळता नाही सध्या सगळे बरे वापरायला लागले
आता तरी